Hey everybody, I just wanted to do a quick video showing you how to access your textbook for free through the library website. One of the things that I really like doing are choosing books that are available through O'Reilly Higher Education. The college actually pays a subscription for that service, and so you have access to all of those textbooks for free. You can view them anytime you want through the library website, and so actually through O'Reilly's website, but you kind of get there through the library website. And so that makes this a zero textbook cost class, which is helpful for you, and I think, overall improves things. So first thing we need to do is go to the Fresno City College website and get to the library. That is this little button right here. That's going to take us to this, and now this is probably the most confusing part because you're looking for a textbook. So you think, oh, textbooks on reserve, maybe books, one search catalog. No, it has nothing to do with books. It's one of their digital subscriptions. And so you actually want to go to articles, research databases. But trust me, we're not looking for articles here. They subscribe to a lot of things. And so I'm just going to hit O to get down to the O'Reilly thing here. It'll be right at the top. And so O'Reilly for Higher Education, that's going to take you to a separate page. The first time you go here, it's going to have you create an account. Now, select your institution. Trust me, it's not going to be found there. So just say not listed, click here. And then type in your school email address. It has to be the Fresno City College email address with the FCC CD part in it. And so that is going to tell them that you are a student of ours. We pay for the subscription, and so that's what's going to get you access. Now, I'm not going to create an account because it won't let me. I already have one. But I'm going to hit already a user. That's going to pull me for my sign-in password. You can do that every other time when you sign in. And ignore this. I have no idea why that's happening right now. It's like a thing. But this is normally the first page you'll see. I just hit the home button. And the first time you come in, you're not going to have your history over here, right? So you're going to have to actually, find the textbook. Now, luckily on the syllabus, depending on the class that you're in with me, I've given you the textbook. I would choose something from the title for your keyword search here, as well as something from the author. For instance, if I just type in C++, there are so many C++ books here. You're finding a needle in a haystack. But you happen to know that the textbook I use is written by Rayo, and bam, Bob's your uncle. You've got access to the book. Depending on what it is, it might be finite math with Heen, whatever. Heen? Probably Hein, not Heen. Anyway, regardless, once you find the book, this is the 8th edition, is the one that we want, although they have past editions for some reason. Choose the 8th edition, one that we're using, or whichever textbook you're using. They're all going to kind of work the same way. And this says continue reading. I guess maybe it saves your location. But you sort of get an overview of the book and sort of all the different sections here. I'm just going to go to part 1, the basics. And then this is sort of the actual reading screen that you'll be used to. You can go to skip from chapter to chapter using the next and previous buttons, or you can click right here in the center and you get sort of like a nice little breakdown of where you want to go. Hey, let's the anatomy of a C++ program. That sounds good. Bam, here you are. And you can just read to your heart's content. You get the entire textbook for free because, well, quite frankly, the college is paying for you to have access. So take advantage of it. And that's all.